Hey guys, welcome back to Studio Pro with me, Gregor. And today I want to talk a little bit about Fender Studio Pro Plus. What is that? Because when you check the website, for example, here on the Fender Studio shop, then you'll notice that there's 3 different versions of Fender Studio Pro that we're offering here. The first version that we're offering is the perpetual license for Fender Studio Pro. So as you can see, that never went away. It's $199 and it includes a one-time payment for a perpetual license that gives you another year after purchase of new feature releases. And this is an insane deal when you think about the whole extent of features that you're getting with Fender Studio Pro, right? You're getting Dolby Atmos, for example, right inside of the DAW without the need for any third-party plugins. You're getting a show page, an entire mastering environment. You're getting a song production page with tons of features that I'm covering with more than 200 videos in my playlist, so make sure to check that out. And the second option already says Perpetual Studio Pro license with a Studio Pro Plus annual plan. That only costs $179 a year, and then you get access to all of the products, all of the latest versions of our software, and so many other services that I'm going to show you in just a moment. And finally, the other Studio Pro Plus option that exists is a monthly plan, and that is fantastic for everybody who wants to try out the full feature set of everything that Fender Studio Pro has to offer, plus all of the exclusive content that you're going to get, are sample libraries, effect plugins, mix effects and instruments that I'm going to talk you through. So this is a fantastic lineup here. Incredible pricing, I think, when you compare this to other DAWs with a similar feature set. And finally, if you already have a Studio Pro license or like a Studio One 7 license, for example, then the upgrade license could be for you. This gives you the upgrade to the latest version of Fender Studio Pro for just $99, which is an insane deal. But you would miss out on the Fender Studio Pro Plus features that I'm going to show you right now. So definitely consider giving the annual plan or the monthly plan a go. Here's why. Fender Studio Pro Plus is our award-winning music production ecosystem that gives you access to the latest version of Fender Studio Pro, plus access of dozens of Fender Studio Pro plugins, gigabytes of high-quality loops and samples, as well as integrated notation software. And to access all of this, you just head over to my.fender.com, and after logging in, you're gonna go to the My Gear section, and there you should see always the latest version of Studio Pro if you already have a Studio Pro Plus membership activated. And then we also have the add-ons. So that would be, for example, the audio batch converter that is not included in the regular version of Studio Pro. This allows you to basically batch convert any amount of audio files into any other format that you can desire. You also get a process rack. So if you want to, for example, use an EQ and do a treble boost on a bunch of stems that are all too dark sounding, you can do that with one single click. You can also use that to merge or split stereo files and a bunch more. A super useful tool, and only included in the Studio Pro Plus membership. Then we have a bunch of effect plugins, for example, the Fat Channel XT and the Console Shaper plugins. I have Studio Pro 8 open right here, so you can see some of these plugins that you're only gonna get with the subscription. They're really amazing sounding on drums, for example. I use them in my productions all the time, and they're just included, so it's a complete no-brainer. Also, any other plugins that we're gonna develop in the future are automatically included in the subscription without needing to purchase that separately. So especially in the long run, the subscription is just a much better deal. Fender Studio Pro Plus also includes access to our ever-growing massive library of samples and instruments. So you can see there's so many different genres covered here, and this really gives you the entire library of sounds that you're gonna need. I mean, if I was back at the start, I would have killed for an offer like that, where for just $20 a month or like $19 a month, you're getting all of the sounds that you're ever gonna need. Back in my day, now I gotta sound a little bit old, but back in my day, you had to like pay $5,000 up front to get the entire suite of virtual instruments that you need to compete with the best. And now you get all of that included on day one with the subscription. To me, this is an absolute no-brainer. We also have Workspaces. So when you go here to Workspaces, you have the option to collaborate with other musicians that are also on my Fender. And you can create these collaborative workspaces where you can drag and drop files or stems directly from Studio Pro into the browser. They're going to show up right here, and then you could use features like the waveform commenting that we use, for example, in this production to give a little bit of feedback. You could see that I have a play button here so I can listen. And I can immediately jump to the timestamped comments and also play from here, and in this way collaborate with my fellow musicians on this production. This is in many ways comparable to an integrated Dropbox or iCloud Drive, Google Drive solution, if you will, because like I said, from the Studio Pro browser, all of these workspaces are directly accessible. To do so, you just head to the Clouds tab, you double click on Fender Studio Pro Plus to log in, and there you're gonna see all of your workspaces and collaborations listed. Collaboration means that it's a workspace of somebody else and I'm just joining it. Workspace would be my own collaboration that I can invite collaborators to. And here, in this case, it would be assigned by my good friend Dave Coffin, and all of the assets from that particular song production are accessible right from here, as you can see. Super cool to see how this external workspace that lives in the browser can be downloaded and imported into my current Studio Pro session just like that. So it's really, really seamless. And if you don't have somebody to collaborate with yet on your music, then you'll also love the Connect section of Fender Studio Pro Plus community. This is where you find other Studio Pro Plus members who are offering services or their skills for collaboration, whether it's arranging, audio editing. So anything you potentially need help with, you gotta find somebody to work with here. And then it's very simple, just one more click to join them in a shared workspace and get some music done together. So this is really a fantastic way of getting together with other musicians and artists. Then we also have the cloud storage. So because if you're gonna collaborate like that, you're naturally gonna need a bit of cloud storage, and you're getting 100 gigabytes, no less than 100 gigabytes with your subscription here, which is more than enough for all of your audio editing and production needs. So that is also directly included inside of your Fender Studio Pro Plus subscription. Then we also do exclusive content like live streams. We do these every single month. This is the mix critiques, where we listen to your mixes and critique them live on stream. I have a panel of rotating guests on this show, and I would love for you to tune in. That happens always on the second Wednesday of the month, only for Studio Pro Plus members at 2 p.m. Central Time and 9 p.m. Central European Time. We also have a huge library of exclusive videos that you're not going to find on our YouTube channel, you're not going to find anywhere else. We call these the Studio Pro Plus exclusives, and they can be accessed here from the Learn section. Now, these are structured in lessons and courses, which makes it super easy to do targeted learning alongside these videos. You can browse all of the playlists that we have available here. These are the lessons, for example, and with one click they can be added or removed from your library just like that. And it's very simple to get started with these, okay? So you just go to lessons, for example, and you can browse the extensive library of exclusive videos that we have right here. Let me just go back to the compression masterclass. I can click add to my library just like that, go to view lesson, and then as I start watching a video, you could see how the progress bar is basically nearing completion. And it's really cool because this gives me like a targeted experience. I can just watch the content. There's no distracting elements happening at the same time. I can also here go to my notes and take some timestamp notes of stuff that I want to review later for learning. And those timestamp notes will then show up in the summary, which is just fantastic. For example, if I want to rewatch that particular part of the presentation, you'll see that I already have a linked note to that timestamp of where I currently am in the video, and then I could just type something like need to revisit this section, and then I can directly play the video from here, and that makes it super easy to revisit all of the learned content. So as you can see, all of that is included in the Fender Studio Pro Plus membership. You'll always have the latest version of Fender Studio Pro and all of the software that we make in Fender Studio, and I think this is by far the best deal, especially if you don't own a version of Studio Pro yet. Thank you for watching.